And with the winter weather that we did get, it's important to not let those vents pile up with large amounts of snow. 22 News reporter Areta Odaya joins us live to share why that is.
That's right, Ciara. Snow cleanup is underway for residents, and we hung out in Chicopee to see how people are doing so far and if they've gotten to those vents yet.
It's time to clean up that snow, and lots of folks are choosing to do it earlier rather than later, specifically all your vents, flues, and pipes.
Really important when it comes to your home, like your dryer vent. You definitely want to try and clear that out because, you don't want all that heat building back into your home.
Snow and ice can increase the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning, so if things aren't cleaned off at home, it could lead to trouble. This in turn could trap the odorless, colorless gas to travel inside your home, leading to serious tissue damage or even death. So it's recommended to clean now rather than later, and don't forget your car tailpipe.
Temperatures are going to look really cold as we go through tonight and pretty much the rest of the week. So while the snow is still kind of more of a fluffy texture, you want to kind of clean it up before it starts to harden up and get all crusty.
Now we're here in Chicopee where residents tell me they've been out here for hours cleaning off their cars, maybe not this one, but also cleaning up their piled up driveways and also outside of their homes. Joseph Rivera tells me that he's been loving the snow, and it's been a neighborhood effort to help snowblow and shovel together, all while making sure to prioritize getting outside of the house cleared.
Got to keep it wide open, from the ground up to where the part where the exhaust for your furnace is. It's good to keep that clean. I actually have a water hose retractor, so nothing gets on it.
Now, according to mass.gov, it's recommended to test your carbon monoxide alarms once a month to make sure it's up to date on every level of your home. Working for you, Areta Odaya, 22 News.